Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. In this week's video I've got a really screaming fast quick tip for you. So quick I'm doing it in the middle of a job on my phone. That's coming up next. I did a glue up last night and you know sometimes if you do a big glue up, especially with a face frame like this, they can get sort of stuck to the bench. Well, what I do is I slip a little bit of Correx plastic sheeting underneath the actual workpiece, and then when you take it off you don't get the workpiece stuck to the bench. Simple as that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found that useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it freely, and do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Or hey, just check back on a Friday when there's always something new up and new. I'll see you then. Take care.